Hello everyone, Telvad and Flippy here, and welcome back to another episode of Grand Theft Auto 3. And yeah, I'm gonna do the payphone missions now. And these are the secret payphone missions. Why are you pushing my car, good sir? Whatever. Yeah, here are the secret missions, and the other ones it's the Burro missions. And from the Diablos. So yeah, but let's do the secret ones first.
The name's Chunks, Marty Chunks. I run the bitch and dog food factory around the corner. I got money troubles, but hey, who doesn't, right? I'm meeting my bank manager later. He's a crooked bastard that keeps bumping up the loan repayment so he can cut a slice. Take my car, pick him up, and bring him back here. I got a little surprise for that blood-sucking leech.
So yeah, Marty's missions basically involves you picking up some dudes in a specific car and bringing them back here, and he has 4 missions, and his missions are pretty much similar to each other. The only exception is that you need to do specific things to the car, like in some missions you need to dump it into the water, and in other one you need to take it to the crusher or whatever. So yeah, but these missions are pretty similar to each other. So yeah, we need to take this perennial and pick up his bank manager. And try not to run this guy over, because it will cause the mission to instantly fail. Sure thing. But yeah, these missions are just in general pretty easy. Wait for this to open up.
Get your hands off me arm!
So yeah, he basically turns them in dog food. like his company is even called bitching dog food. Open up, please. Of his yeah. But yeah, we need to take this perennial to the crusher to get rid of the evidence. But yeah, Marty's missions are also only available during a specific time of day, so they are not like, I think they are available in like the midday, afternoon or whatever, but not in the night or whatever, something like that. Get out of there. Get out of there. And the crusher will do the thing. I mean, look at my money. I have a shitload of money already. So that car will be crushed. There you go. $1,000 in the pocket. It's nothing compared to what other missions give you. Alright, let's head back. I think the phone will start ringing in about 2.5 minutes. So I need to be a bit quick so I can catch another one of his missions. And after that I probably need to save the game a couple of times to advance time. Yeah, he's still ringing. Nice.
hired some thieves to break into my apartment and steal some stuff so I could claim on the insurance, as you do. The thieving bastards are threatening to tell the insurance company if I don't give them a cut. Can you believe it? I left the car inside the factory gates. Use it to go pick them up from their turf in the red light district. Then bring them back to the factory so I can make them see Marty's point of view.
Okay, he apparently hired some thieves to rob his apartment, but it didn't go as planned. So yeah, we need to pick those up, and Marty is gonna interact with them, I guess. So yeah, I need to take this Sentinel. Sentinel, right? Yeah, there's a Sentinel. But yeah, we need to pick up two guys. Oh, I'm slipping. No. And here they are. Do not run them over, otherwise the mission will fail. Open up, please. Thank you. Move faster. You're too slow.
Easy there, partner. Whoa! Put it down. Come on, put it.
Alright, let's get to the paint spray and get this thing resprayed. And then you need to put it back. Oh. Where am I going? Let's head over here. And let's get in here. Oops. Did not meant to do that. Okay, now let's take the car back to the factory. It's getting quite foggy in the game. Don't see a lot of other moments. Yeah, you have different weathers in the game. Like you have a foggy, you have rain, you have sunny, cloudy, whatever. Yeah, and I think, like I said, I need to save the game after this because I think the phone is not ringing anymore after this. So that is like what 2 of his missions done. Yeah, it's not ringing anymore. I need to advance time by saving the game a couple of times. So let's head back to the safe house. There you go, make a turn over here. Save the game. I think that's not enough yet. That should do it. So let's head back to the factory, and I'm guessing he has 2 more missions. Because I think I did just 2 missions. I kind of count a little bit though, but I think I've done 2 missions from him. So let's head back and do the remaining 2 missions. But yeah, as you can see, these missions are pretty similar to each other. Only difference is the thing you have to is the thing that what you have to do with the car. Yeah, there it is.
The business is gonna go under unless I get a hold of some serious cash soon. My wife has an insurance policy, and all she's ever been to me is a hole in my pocket. I've left the car in the usual place. Go and pick up my wife from Classic Nails and bring her back to the factory.
So yeah, this is the second of last mission for this. So we need to take this Esperanto and then pick up his wife, and then he's gonna interact with her. Yeah, this guy is out of his mind. Turning people into fucking dog food. Alright, she's right here. Ooh, yeah, the Esperanto really sucks in braking. Oh, no, don't flip. Open up, please. Thank you. Oh, you're so slow. Yep, she's dog food. And yeah, and this is probably the most difficult part of this mission in particular, is to dump the car in the water. And yeah, you cannot bail out of the, and yeah, the main problem with that is you can't bail out of cars in GTA 3. So you need to be a little bit creative. So yeah, so get the car just slightly up here, not too much, and just push it like this into the water if it wants to go. Come on, come on. There you go. And now let's quickly do Marty's last mission. Alright.
Damn, I'm in trouble. Turns out my wife was seeing some guy I owe money to. He's got real angry, and he's looking for payback. I've agreed to see him. He thinks I'm gonna pay him off, but my guess is Liberty's dogs are gonna get yet another flavor this month.
Liberty's dogs are gonna get another flavor this month. Jeez, this guy is out of his mind. Oh well. Ooh, stallion. So this is gonna be his last mission. So yeah. Oh. Keep the car under control, please. Alright, it's there. Alright, careful. Some cars can be quite slippery a little bit. Alright, there's the guy.
Carl, hi. I need more time to get your money. But if you just step into my office, it's far too late for that, Marty. You had your chance, but now I'm taking over the business. All right.
And he just freaking kills him. So yeah, that concludes Marty's missions. So yeah, let's go to El Burro of the Diablos and do his missions. And by the way, for the first mission you kind of want to have a fast car, but luckily there's a bench you can take always on an easy to remember spot on the map. So I'm gonna do that first. I'm gonna get a Banshee and then do the first mission of El Burro. And there's oh shit, my car is slipping. In this garage there's always always a Banshee parked, so you can just take this one. So let's go to this area. Hepburn Heights. And here's the first mission.
This is El Burro of the Diablos. You are new in Liberty, but already you are gaining a reputation on the streets. There is a street race starting by the old school hall near the Callahan Bridge. Get yourself some wheels, and first through all the checkpoints wins the prize.
So yeah, you're gonna participate in this race to prove yourself, I guess. But yeah, you're gonna do some things for the Diablos by doing these optional payphone missions. Like each island has their own set of payphone missions. Like Staunton has one, and Shoreside Villa has one too. And they have like all their own little story. And actually, you can actually start this race a little bit early by just hitting one of the cars. So you can cheese the race a little bit. If I don't crash the car too much, but these guys are not good drivers either because they crash all the time. And they all have cheaters. I should catch up to this guy in a bit. There you go. So yeah, but the Banshee is very sensitive in turning. So yeah, it turns pretty tight. Oh, it turns pretty tight. But it's so damn it's a so damn fast car. It's probably one of the fastest car in the game. So yeah, the Banshee is an amazing car, but it is so fast, and it is so sensitive in turning. So you can actually just slip out quite easily with the Banshee. But yeah, this race is in general pretty easy. And also a thing about these payphone missions, they are repeatable. You can do these missions as many times as you want. They are repeatable. But I'm gonna do them at least once. And it is a nice way to get some easy cash, I suppose. But yeah, you get so many cash from other missions. That's not really a thing you need to do. You don't really need to grind cash in this game. Because what you can do with cash is just buy weapons, that's it. You cannot buy property or anything like that. Not until like the later GTA games where cash has a bit more of a role. But and yeah, if you have collected all the hidden packages, then the cash is pretty much useless, because you can just get all the weapons for free anyway. Then. Uh-oh. Looks like the other racers has crashed or whatever. Oh, that's a trash master. That's a rare vehicle. There you go. That's the first mission one. First mission done. And one, I guess. So yeah, let's go to the next mission of El Burro. And he has, I mean, he has one in particular annoying mission that involves a van and collecting magazines. But that's later on.
I started my exotic entertainment business with nothing but the sizable contents of my leather pants. A gang of no-goods has threatened to remove my starring member if I don't pay them a cut. They threatened the wrong man, amigo. They have a weakness for the ice cream. Pick up the bomb I've hidden in Hardwood, hijack the regular ice cream van on its rounds, and lure these fools to their doom with the jingly jingly. They hide in a warehouse on Atlantic Key.
So yeah, I need to get rid of some guys, but by using a bomb Drake ice cream van. So yeah, because apparently there's some mafia guys messing with him or whatever. Okay, he has placed a bomb over here that you need to pick up. Like this briefcase, and then there's an ice cream van you need to hijack. Oh, careful, easy down. And this guy is so sensitive in how it reacts. Alright, this ice cream van always spawns in St. Mark's, I believe. And there it is. You can even turn on the jingle jingle. So yeah. Mr. Whoopi. It's actually a very rare vehicle that spawns sometimes in specific areas, I believe, but it's a very rare vehicle that spawns. So yeah, there's gonna be some mafia guys we need to get rid of by making this van explode in the face. Here they come. Let's get out of here. You can even gun them down if you want to. But yeah, I'm just gonna explode this thing. So just let them close by first. Wait for it. And boom! Alright. Car. I need a car. Where's a car? Give me a car. The van will do, I guess.
Back now. Never known that.
So let's do his next mission. So yeah, I think this is already a second to last mission, I believe. Question mark, maybe. Come on, get out of here. So, yeah.
Some insolent triad stole my beautiful car last night, wrecked it and left it burning. Some of my most precious donkey memorabilia was in the trunk. Real collectibles that are irreplaceable, my friend. I've hidden a throbbing weapon on the edge of Chinatown. Take it and teach these triad vandals to fear El Burro's well-endowed wrath. Arriba!
Arriba. So yeah, some dude just stole his gun after burning, and he had some magazines or whatever inside. But yeah, this El Burro guy, he is, I'm guessing, the leader of the Diablo gangs. And yeah, and yeah, we need to get a weapon and basically torch some triads. And after this mission, the triads will hate you and they will shoot at you on sight. But the triads are not really that bad to deal with. They have pistols and baseball bats, and I have freaking machine guns or whatever, a rocket launcher, so should be able to deal with those. Let's see, there's a gun in this building, in this alleyway by this building. So yeah, we need to kill 25 triads. Pretty easy. But after this mission, they're gonna hate you. So let's see. Here's one of them. Another. Oh, he's running away. Like, that's one downside with having two-handed weapons, because you cannot sprint with them. At least in GTA 3 you cannot sprint with two-handed weapons. There's a lot of guys over there though. Holy shit. That was need a lot of kills. 8 more remaining. So I'm just jumping to move a little bit faster with two-handed weapons. Alright, one more guy, and there he is. And from now on the triads will fire at you. So I need to get a car over here somewhere. These guys will attack me. Yeah, it's already happening. Give me a car. Give me this perennial, please. And yeah, and let's do El Burro's last mission. And I even get a wanted star for them shooting at me. What the fuck? Jesus Christ. Oh well. Yeah, I'm getting like, yeah, you're getting shut up right now. So yeah, this should be El Burro's last mission, and then it's GG, I suppose.
A thieving opportunist has stolen a van of my latest publication hot off the press. But that spanked up idiot has left the rear doors open, and now my beautifully produced, tastefully photographed adult literature is being dropped all over Liberty. Take the van and follow that trail of Donkey Does Dallas volumes 1, 2, and 3, collecting it as you go. When you follow the trail to that thieving spankhead, waste him. Then deliver my Donkey Derby to XXX Max in the red light district.
So yeah, some guy apparently stole his collection, a fan with his collection in it, and we need to get it. And this is probably his most annoying mission, because you need to collect these magazines, and you are on a constant timer of 25 seconds, and each time you collect one thing, you get a second. But the random traffic can be a major issue with this, because they are just in your way. Yeah, but you can miss some of them, so you don't need to collect all of them. But yeah, like I said, the traffic can be a troll in this one, because they just drive in the damn way. So yeah, but this mission is pretty straightforward. Just collect these packages to follow the trail and kill the guy that stole the thing. And yeah, the triads will attack you, but yeah, it should be not. They're not really that big of a deal. Like the pistol doesn't really do that much damage against vehicles. The worst weapons for you to face up against is the M16 and a shotgun, because they just kill vehicles like nothing. Alright, we're almost there. It's doing good so far. Like, you want to avoid crashing as much as you can, because one single crash can already close the mission. Well, yeah, got 20 seconds left, so I should have plenty of time for a fuck up. Why you be a troll? Alright, the guy is right about here. And he's dead. Yeah, now we need to get this van to a store. And yeah, and this guy is running a questionable store too, I guess. Well, yes, magazines with donkeys, apparently. Weird stuff, I suppose. Yeah, I need to deliver them in the red light district. And this is his store. He's basically running a porn store or whatever. Yeah, we've seen a little glitch over here for some reason. For some reason, these guys are messed up. Don't know. Yeah, glitches. That's what you get. That's the risk of using mods, I suppose. But yeah, that's the payphone missions. And yeah, the next set of payphone missions will be in Staunton Island. So yeah, we're gonna be there. Well, not yet, because we still have some jobs to do in Portland, but yeah, eventually gonna be there. But yeah, I will thank everyone for watching, and well, see you around, and take care.